Saturday Axialfest. We were up here yesterday as well, but just kind of hung out. Today, we got rock racing and rock bouncing, the big raffle, more bands and all that, but I'm gonna do my trail riding today. Yesterday, again, I didn't drive a truck at all. I just hung out with everybody. So far, it's been a great event. The venue is super nice to hang out. I did receive a special driver bag at registration, and I noticed it was extra heavy. And I think maybe my comments about not being sure how much rock was here. They made me a special one with an extra large rock.
Cross here through the tree, through the next tree.
So rock racing is the first event of today. That's always kind of a big one. Always one of my more favorite parts of it to watch too. They have a rock bouncing event going on after.
Oh! Took advantage of the car going by.
That was awesome, Hunter.
Rubbin was racing right there for sure. Kids 11 to 15. Finally. Kids, listen up. The next group will be kids 10 and under. Kids 10 and under, get over here. Get lined up, get ready to go. Nobody likes to sit around and do nothing. Kids 11 to 15.
Right?
Get lined up, one more. Kids 10 and under. Is on course. Up next is 2 stops. Stop cars. Keep on 2 sides. Stop. Oh, there you go.
You hear that? That's how you know it's good.
Broken in?
Yeah.
Broken in here?
It's almost like you need to go in. So we already just come around. What?
No, just trying to get her all done.
And turn 1, drop it down into the pit, turn around the trees, over the heat tag and trees, hit the passes, back you up.
Evidently my radio's dying. Must have got left on in the car. It'll make it through the course. Rich is in there, causing trouble. He's videoing me, I'm videoing you, you videotaping me. Everyone for you.
What happens if you just go around it and can't go through?
It's breaking the rules. You're disqualified. You're disqualified.
Oh.
All right.
Ow.
My radio battery's dead. I forgot to charge it.
So we have to speed run this course.
My favorite thing to do anyway, speed running.
All right, I'm done with the Ripper. I've got it good and dirty after it's rebuilt. Now we're gonna see what we can do on the 10,000 milliamp 4S in the SCX6. So, more trails. They even upscaled the gate marker.
Does this come with the big trains too?
No, 2-speed only.
Yeah. They knew what height to make it.
Timer, last one. This one's for fun. Timer, you ready? Timer, ready? Timer. All up to here. You know the course, yeah?
Kind of.
No, go up around that point. Don't hit him though. The big SCX6, you need to push together. He's shooting along pretty good.
What's up, guys? We're at Axialfest. We're ASD crawlers. Harley locked us in a trailer and won't let us out, and so we're taking over the vlog. It's Axialfest 2022. Axialfest has been great. Harley has flipped this truck. I think every trail he's been on, he's flipped the truck. And not like the series. He's literally been flipping his truck. So it's been a rough one for him. You know, I think he had He's having a trouble. I actually looked under his rig and it was all Integy axles, so I'm just here to expose that. I think he was running a Z battery. It was pretty bad. It was a 25 kg servo, so it was wild. I think that died.
System in it.
This is not a rig that was necessarily given to them. The electronics in it weren't necessarily given to them, but they make it their own rig, and all of us at Axial like to donate our personal cars for you guys to win. Give a round of applause for Ryan Dunford and Rich Trujillo.
Just today alone, guys, these two rigs right here, we were able to raise $3,500.
$3,500 in it. Let's pick the winner, huh?
Is there a Bruce out here? Is there a Bruce? How about Bruce? Bruce Stewart? There you go. Congratulations. Let's check his ticket real quick. Right on. Congratulations. Playing the raffle and getting any kits. Ryan gets to give away.
Okay, yeah, Ryan wants to give away Richard's truck, so we're gonna draw the number. Bent metal. Bent metal. Oh my God. Yeah, buddy. Come here. Give me a big old hug.
You the big winner?
Yeah.
Sharif, where you at? So, thank you guys for enjoying it. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Bill Riddle and Trey Line. As you can see, some of our lovely assistants brought some stuff up on stage here. This is